What's up, guys? Today we are going to be playing Obby But You're a Bird. I've done a video on this. I forgot to put sound on, so we'll see if it saves my progress. If it does, we're getting to 50. It does. Okay. Now, so since it's in my progress, we're going to 50 meters today. Alright. So let's do this, boys. So, if you haven't seen the first video, here's the things about these obbies. 1, you're a bird. Shocking. 2, those are spikes. They're not good. They hurt your toes. And then 3, you float. Look at that awesome skill. Bird doesn't know. Not a real one. Going for it. See, I'm actually one of the best hobbyists in the world. Come on. Okay, so yeah. And we might even get to 60 meters today. I have to know how fast we do it. Oh, come on. No, I want to be friends. Dang it. Okay. You didn't accept the jumping, the sacred jumps. Dang it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. I was trying to get on top of the tube. Why must it fall? Oh my gosh, bro. Why did it take so long? Okay. Why didn't it make me fall all the way down, bro? Made me regret all my life decisions. Of course, my biggest one is playing this game. Okay. Alright. Come on. Yes! Oh, it doesn't do anything. Dang it. Okay. Okay. Let's jump on here. Come on. I gotta beat this guy. I don't think that's where you go. Dang, he knows. I don't even see that ladder. Nope, you don't need to go there. Okay. Of course, do any way that I think. Gosh, dang it. Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, we're speedrunning. I'm not gonna die a single time for the rest of this video. It's a speed run. Already at 45. Nice. So we know where to go now. You guys here, right here. Oh my gosh, bro. Maybe I have to go in here. Come on. Nice. If there's a spike there and I would have died, that would have been such a troll. Because I'm not going to die for the rest of this video, though. So. Where the heck do I go? So you either go in the tube or risk it. Just go there. Wait, that's where I was before. Oh. But then where'd I go? Because there's no way you can make that jump right there. There's another tube. Okay, so I think that's where I was before, right? Yeah, and then do I just have to try and make that jump? Yes, I'll try it. Come on. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Okay, you know what? We're going to 60. Who cares? Spinning clouds. Does it? No, okay, I thought it would, like, go for it. Nice. I don't know. I thought it was going to make you, like, jump or something. Okay. I don't even have shift lock. There's no button for it. Oh, well. Come on. I would have died to that, bro. Come on. Nice, nice, nice. Explain to me how you... Oh, you aren't supposed to go on the tree. Oh my gosh. Okay. 56. Come on. Dang it. Come on. I'm gonna go right here. Oh, wait, is that possible? Oh, I did it. Wait, was I not supposed to be able to do that? I don't know if I was supposed to be able to do that. King Duck Shrine, please be respectful. Okay. King Duck statue. Thank you, King Duck. Thank you. All hail King Duck. Okay. Am I allowed to touch the water? I am. Okay. King Duck's party. 100. Okay. So King Duck's party is at 100. Next video? No, you know what? Let's get to 70. Oh, that's risky. Okay, we're gonna speed run to 70. And then next video, we go to the King Duck Shrine. That sound good? I don't care. That's the plan. I don't care if it sounds good or not. That's the plan. Okay. I'm really hoping this is the way. No. Oh my gosh, I made that. Okay, bro, is this not the way I'm supposed to go? How am I supposed to get up there? There's a ledge. Dang it. Dang it. Okay. Bro, no way I have to do all that again because I messed up on the last jump. Oh my gosh, okay. Come on. Nice. No, wait, no, wait. Okay. Can't believe this is what you have to do. Okay. How's that possible? Bro. Okay. Bro. What is this stage? You can make that jump. Like, what in the actual heck is this stage, bro? No, wait, is that all you have to do? Bro, that's all you have. Oh my gosh. You've actually... Wait, are you... Was I going the right way? No, I didn't get to go up here. Okay. But, oh my gosh, bro, I'm so... You did work, Beth. Nice. Do I jump higher? No. Can't. We're at 70, guys. We'll see you at King Duck's party in the next video. Goodbye, guys.